Hello everyone! Today we explore one of the most fundamental topics in hematology and transfusion medicine, ABO blood grouping. Before we begin, ask this important question: why must a patient's blood group be known before transfusion? The answer lies in the life-threatening consequences of incompatibility. Hemolytic reactions can be severe and sometimes fatal without correct matching. In this short lesson, we will explain core immunohematology concepts and show how ABO grouping determines safe transfusion practice. Let us begin with the basic concept of immunohematology and the building blocks you need to understand blood grouping. To understand blood grouping, we must first define antigens and antibodies in clear terms. An antigen is a substance, often a protein, that the body recognizes as foreign and that stimulates antibody production. Antibodies are proteins in plasma made by the immune system that bind specific antigens and can mark or neutralize them. On red blood cells, antigens are glycoproteins, or glycolipids on the surface, embedded or projecting from the membrane. These surface antigens determine blood group identity and are the targets for naturally occurring antibodies in plasma. Understanding where antigens live and how antibodies react is the foundation for safe blood transfusion and compatibility testing. The ABO system classifies blood by the presence or absence of two antigens, A and B, on red blood cells. Type A has A antigens on cells and anti-B antibodies in plasma. We show a labeled diagram for clarity. Type B has B antigens on cells and anti-A antibodies in plasma, shown here with clear labels and animated antibody binding. Type AB expresses both A and B antigens on cells, and therefore has no anti-A or anti-B antibodies in plasma. Type O has neither A nor B antigens on cells and has both anti-A and anti-B antibodies circulating in plasma. These patterns explain compatibility. Antigens on donor cells must not react with recipient plasma antibodies, or hemolysis can occur. A simple compatibility rule: donor red cells must lack antigens that the recipient's plasma antibodies will attack. Type O negative is often called the universal donor for red cells, while AB positive is the universal plasma donor. Incompatible transfusion triggers immune clearance and hemolysis, causing fever, hypotension, hemoglobinuria, and potentially organ failure. To avoid this risk, laboratories perform forward and reverse typing and cross-matching before most transfusions. Forward typing detects antigens on red cells. Reverse typing detects antibodies in plasma. Both confirm a consistent ABO result. In emergencies, uncross-matched O-negative blood may be used, but testing should follow as soon as possible for safety. Laboratory methods include slide, tube, and automated gel testing for ABO groups, all aimed to accurately identify antigens and antibodies. Always confirm a patient's ABO prior to non-emergency transfusion and document results clearly in the medical record. When in doubt, consult the transfusion service or blood bank. Their expertise prevents errors and improves patient safety. Recap: A and B antigens determine ABO group. Plasma antibodies oppose missing antigens. Matching prevents hemolytic reactions. This foundation in immunohematology supports safe transfusion decisions and underpins many areas of clinical practice. Thank you for watching. Remember, accurate ABO typing saves lives. Review the labeled diagrams and practice interpreting results. And that wraps up today's topic. If this explanation helped you understand the concept more clearly, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more simplified lab technology and radiology lessons powered by AI. We break down complex subjects in hematology, biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, X-ray, MRI, and diagnostic imaging, step by step, so you don't just memorize, you truly understand. If you have any questions or want a specific topic covered, drop it in the comments below. Until the next video, keep learning smart, keep thinking critically, and keep mastering diagnostics.